The new X3 family from BMW is nearing completion and will be on sale this summer. I went to Miramas, France, in advance of the introduction, which is scheduled for mid-June, to test two prototypes. The BMW X3 M50 was the second vehicle, and the first was an X3 plug-in hybrid. Since BMW declined to give this prototype a name, the latter's name remains unconfirmed. All that was said about it was that it was an extremely powerful M-performance car from the BMW X3 line. Whatever moniker it goes by, it is unmistakably the successor to the wildly successful BMW X3 M40i. Big shoes to fill. The 2025 BMW X3, dubbed G45, has large shoes to fill as it enters its fourth generation. With 350,000 sales, the departing model, G01, was not only the best-selling X3 ever but also the brand's best-selling product in 2023. To be clear, the 3 Series lineup was still the best overall, especially when the touring model was taken into account. Larger than the outgoing BMW X3. Like most new products, the size of the G45 BMW X3 has grown. BMW did not provide specifications, weight, or dimensions at the pre-drive briefing, yet, despite all of the camouflage, the G45 X3 initially looks to be slightly larger than the G01. If the information we saw last month about leaked specs is correct, the new X3 crossover will be 4,755 mm long, 1,920 mm wide, and 1,660 mm tall. In comparison to the departing X3, G01, it would be 47 mm longer, 29 mm wider, and 16 mm lower. BMW refused to comment on the load capacity itself, but I have found out that there would be no differentiation between the models. The cargo volume of the ICE and PHEV versions will be the same, independent of the drivetrain. Great coefficient drag, wheels up to 22 inches. On to the information that was provided to us. The drag coefficient of the 2025 BMW X3 is 0.27, as opposed to 0.29 for the current model. The X3 has a wider track, according to BMW, and starting at 18 inches, wheels up to 22 inches in diameter will be available. They are fitted with Label tires, which are regarded as the best in their class and are designed especially to provide performance and comfort for the X3. Completely revamped underpinnings. The new 2025 BMW X3 features a whole new tech package in terms of mechanics. The most interesting aspect to start with is that the G45 X3 will be the first BMW production series to use a new steering system. The car's new EP-SAPA version, a belt-driven steering gear, enables BMW to design extremely precise axle kinematics and elastokinematics. Electric power steering belts help during driving by transferring torque from the motor to the steering gear, which allows the engineering team to apply greater force to the axle. The extra comfort provided by the steering in straight-line driving, which may be adjusted from precise to light, is one of the primary advantages in practical situations. Additionally, the steering pitch has been adjusted to be less pitchy. With the help of this revolutionary steering system, BMW is able to provide a variety of car-specific applications, from a more pleasant feel to a very aggressive one in the sportier versions. A new set of axles, subframe, and strut package will be included with every 2025 BMW X3. Better elastokinematics are achieved in the G45 thanks to firmer bushings and the roll bar mount. The caster at the front has actually increased by 19%. In actuality, the caster at the front has increased by 19%. Additionally, stiffer are the anti-roll bars and springs. The new BMW X3's jounce bumpers, sometimes referred to as bump stops or bump rubbers, are essential for giving the vehicle a lighter feeling even though it weighs more than the previous model.
Thanks for watching.